Hi everyone, it's Heather from Crafts, Laughs, and Learning. If you're looking for something simple that gets your kids laughing while they're learning, little joke books like this are such a fun activity. Kids love telling jokes, and when they get to color and make their own mini book first, it makes the whole thing even more exciting. One way to make the most out of this is to turn it into a little joke time. After kids finish coloring and putting their books together, you can have them read the jokes out loud to family, classmates, or even younger siblings. It's a great way to build confidence and it gets a few giggles. Another fun idea is to use this during a garden theme, spring unit, or even when you're talking about plants and growing things. It keeps things light and playful, and kids remember the jokes way longer than you'd expect or hope. You can also let kids decorate their cover or even add their name so it feels like their own little book. And once they've made one, they usually want to go around telling their jokes to everyone they see. If you'd like to try this garden joke book with your kids, you can grab it through the link in the description below. And I'm curious, what's a joke that always makes your kids laugh? Let me know down in the comments because I'm always looking for new ones. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafts, laughs, and learning.